Hello students, I am Sailesh Prajapati. Today I explain you in the chapter 1, part 6. In this part 6, set theory, I explain specially practical problems of union and intersection of the two sets. Yes students, in this part we only explaining practical problem related questions, union and intersection related. It's a very interesting topic. I am sure you enjoying this part. Let's start. Practical problem of the union of the sets, intersection of the two sets. So first I explain you what they meaning for union and intersection between their values for numeric wise. So if you A intersection be null set, then sure n for A union B, n indicate here number of the elements, students. So number of elements A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B. That's your first property. Look at that in this figure. A minus B and B minus A, and between area is a A intersection B. Yes, if you between area A intersection B null set, sure A set and B set are separate. That's why you written n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. Yes, next one. The element of A union B is either in A and either in B. So generally your second formula is n of A union B equal to Na plus Nb minus n of A intersection B, because they are belonging to both sides. So not that A minus B comma A intersection B and B minus A all are here disjoint sets. That's why A union B we can show in this form n of A union B equal to n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B plus n of B minus A. Students, here n indicate number of the elements. So n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B plus n of B minus A plus n of A intersection B, both side we return n of A intersection B plus n minus. So my sum is over. So n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, which is verified here because n of A union B already you known. And next one, third property, if you return A, B, C and there are three elements, sometimes three set also given. So you can show n of A union B union C, Na plus Nb plus Nc minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C and minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Yes students, these are three equations, mainly formula for practical problem using numericals. I proving here third one also. Third one is a drawing wise. I explain you first. Look at that. These three figures A, B, and C. Definitely the betweenness area. Yes, betweenness area for all three sets A, B, and C. They are common area. So that's why I written in the yellow color A intersection B intersection C. And now I go to proofing. So first of all, in fact that n of A plus n of B union C minus n of A intersection B union C from 2, and in from 2 again you explain for n of B union C. Students, only for focus on n of B union C, definitely you can say n of B plus n of C minus n of B intersection C, and other is as it is. Now going to last data. So look at that third one, A intersection B union C. We applying by distributive rule A intersection B union A intersection C, and apply for n property. Again utilize your second formula. You can getting n of A intersection B plus n of A intersection C minus n of A intersection B intersection A intersection C. Yes. Last data again repeat A intersection B intersection A intersection C. It is called your yellow color A intersection B intersection C. So finally we done here. A union B union C formula Na plus Nb plus Nc minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. That's my last answer. Now I go to practical numerics. In a school, 20 teachers indicate mathematics or physics. 12 are mathematics, 4 teach physics. How many teach physics only? Very easy. You consider mathematics for M capital and P denotes teachers teach physics. So M union P is a 20. Whenever you given between or, you just apply union. And if you give an and in any word problem, you apply their intersections. So n of m is a 12 given for teaching mathematics, and both common given. Look at that in question. Both physics and maths is a 4 only. So maths intersection physics 4. Now I go to general formula to determine n of p. N of m union p, n of m plus n of p minus n of m intersection p. Now apply the all given values. So you can get n of p equal to 12. But students, this is not sufficient to understanding this sum. I explain by Venn diagram. Look at that. These are Venn diagram for specially set M and set P. Set M and set P. First circle indicate mathematics subject related. P circle, second one is indicate physics level, and both common region. Yes, both common region is a 4. So I written here between 4. Now look at that. N of m is a 12. But I want already between 4 written. That's why I written here 8 in the first circle. And similarly, especially physics, I known that it is a 12 answer. So already 4 I written. So outside a second circle I written 8. Students, here 8 indicate special for only math subject indicate, and second 8 is indicate only for physics subject indicate. So my last answer. Hence 12 teachers teach physics. Yes. Happily done. Next one. Example 23. Here also same given x union y 50, n of x is a 28 and n of y is a 32, and asking x intersection y. Generally formula apply according to drawing wise, x into minus y and y minus x, and formula you known, n of x union y is n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y, value putting, and you getting the all values one by one. Definitely your answer is only and only 10. 28 plus 32 minus 50. This 10 indicate both element indicate x and y are common values. Yes students, next. In 25 question, total of 35 students in a class. 24 like cricket and 16 like football. And given that at least one of the two games are necessary playing the how many both cricket and football. So very easy. You going for n of x indicate first of all the cricket like, n of y is a football. Union given 35 and my target asking x intersection y. So go to our basic formula, n of x union y, n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. Value putting and further calculate. You easily done x intersection y is equal to 5. But students, here this is not your complete solutions. You must be go to Venn diagram. Yes, Venn diagram is here. X and y. First circle indicate your x, second indicate y. X for cricket playing and y for football playing. So in the common region is a 5 already I written. Here n of x given 24. So definitely 24 minus 5. 19 indicate only playing cricket. And one of the 16 minus 5 is 11 for only playing football. So finally my done here answer. 5 students like to play both types of the games. If you students asking how many students playing only cricket, so you write down the answer 19 player only cricket and only football like to 11. Next. In example 27, there are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. 120 have been exposed to the chemical C1 and 50 are for the chemical C2 and 30 are the both chemical C1 and C2 affected. And our questions are there. First, chemical C1 but not chemical C2. It means students indicate only they are C1 having. Second, chemical C2 but not chemical C1. It means students only C2 having. And third one, chemical C1 or chemical C2. So here I consider U is a universal set of consisting of the individual suffering from the skin disorder. A denote for the exposed by the chemical C1 and B denote the customer, I mean the patients exposed to the chemical C2. Now I go to first of all n of u 200 taking n of a 120, n of b 50 according to given and 30 are the both chemical by C1 and C2. So apply the first question. Chemical C1 only indicate it means n of a minus b. It is Na minus n of a intersection b. Value putting 120 minus 30 you getting 90. See in this figure. Here in this figure, A minus B indicate only and only C1 chemical related patients but not chemical by C2. And therefore this answer my ready here for the first one. Hence the number of the individual exposed to chemical C1 but not chemical C2 is 90. Now second question reads students, chemical C2 but not C1. It means B minus A related and then explanation is this one. From the given figure, n of b is equal to n of b minus a plus n of a intersection b. But my target n of b minus a. It means n of b minus n of a intersection b. Value putting 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. Yes students, here b minus a and a intersection b both are always disjoint. Disjoint means they have nothing common between them, b minus a and a intersection b. Now I go to third related questions. Our third question is the number of the individual exposed to the chemical C2 but not chemical C1 is 20. Already written here in the statement. Now third question asking C1 or C2. Students, one more time repeat, or means you indicate union form. So n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, and all value known, 120 plus 50 minus 30, they get 140 members are indicate chemical C1 or chemical C2, and these all values I plotting in the drawing. So in the drawing they have to A and B our union sets and apply 30 member are belonging to intersection between A and B, and here 90 only indicates set A and 20 are only indicates set 2. So indirectly all three questions related a Venn diagram I show in this red portions. Now continue. Exercise 1.6, n of x given 17, n of y given 23 and n of x union y 38. Find out x intersection y. It's very easy numerical students. Already known the formula n of x union y, n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. Apply the given all values and simplify. N of x intersection y is a 40 minus 38. So you getting the answer 2. Yes students, this 2 indicate only and only common region between x and y, and I show in this Venn diagram n of x intersection y is equal to only 2. Yes, look at that in the red portion our set x and set y applying by in this drawing two related common region for the both set x and y, and 15 indicate why 15, n of x totally given 17 minus 2 you taking, then you getting 15 remaining. Same as in the y portion we have to 23 given, but I return already 2, that's why another member is a 21. Students, here 21 indicate only y set and 15 indicate only x set. Now next one. Question number 2. Same as x union y given 18, in the x elements given 8 and 15 element given in the y, and how many elements does x intersection y. Same example and same question I just moving about. We know that n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. Value putting all and further calculate, definitely you getting n of x intersection y is equal to 5, and this value I show again in the Venn diagram. Yes, students, this is my Venn diagram applying for related X set and Y set. So, here both common region is a 5 already putted in the center positions, and original our X set is totally known that 8 students. That's why I written here already 5 minus 8, so it is a 3 remaining. And same as in the Y set already 15 already given, but I written 5 in the common region, so other are 10. Okay, and if you added them all 3 plus 5 plus 10, definitely it is your universal set X union Y is equal to 18. Yes students, next one. In a group 400 people, 250 speak Hindi, 200 speak English. Question asking how many people can speak both type of languages, Hindi and English. Student and utilize, it means it is a intersection asking. So very easy. Hindi consider H, English consider capital E. People who speak that sub languages. And N of H union E given 400, N of H 250, N of E 200, and my target is a H intersection E. Why intersection written? Because in question asking Hindi and English. Now applying our standard formula, we know that n of h union e value putting and further calculate. Definitely you can getting n of h intersection e is equal to just 50. And these just 50 are the common people talking about that values for our speaking to Hindi and English. So I show to Venn diagram. Again I putting the common region 50 to inside and another are rebalancing to 200 and 150. Why 200 written? Already Hindi speaking people given 250. That's why I written 200 outside and 50 inside. Similarly, in the English speaking, total given, we have to 200. So I written already 50 inside the common region. So 150 is outside region. And that's my total answer. Next. So 50 people can speak both Hindi and English. Now question number 4. S and T are two sets has 21 elements. T has 32. S intersection T 11. How many for S union T? Same explanation and only apply the standard formula N of S union T, N of S plus, N of T minus, N of S intersection T. Given value just I put it and further calculate. Sure, N of S union T 21 plus 32 minus 11 is equal to 42. Yes, show by this Venn diagram also. The common region here given that already 11, so I put it 11 in the center and another are 10 and 21 for rebalancing N of S 21 and N of T 32. Yes students, done here some. Last answer. Thus the set of S union T has 42 elements. You also verify the this yellow color given already in the redded portions 10 plus 11 plus 21, sure it is a 42. Yes students, I hope you easily understood. I go to next question number 5. Same question given, n of x 40, n of x union y 60 and x intersection y is a 10, and my target is how many elements does y have. Same formula, same putting value 60 is equal to 40 plus n of y minus 10. Further calculate, sure you getting the answer 30 and plot on the Venn diagram. Venn diagram have only two elements here x and y, so I put it there. First of all center value, students, you must be put it in the center value. Here center value is a 10 because the common region x and y. Now apply their values for another are 30 because we have to n of x 40 and y we have to total are related here 30. So here 10 and 20 become 30. So final answer my done here. Thus the set of y has 30 elements. Yes, next one. Question number 6. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee. So coffee consider yes C and 52 like tea. Consider capital T. And given person like at least one of the two drinks. What the meaning for at least one of the two drinks means students? Necessary. A people here drinking Coffee? Either tea, either sometime both. Therefore, I mention N of C union T is a total 70%. N of C 37 and N of T 52 given. Now apply our standard formula. N of C union T, N of C plus N of T minus N of C intersection T, value putting. Further calculate. Definitely you getting N of C intersection T is a 89 minus 70. It's become 19. Yes, I plot on the Venn diagram. Yes, students, this Venn diagram are very easy. Here two set, one of the C and one of the T. And initial value, first you put it, common region C intersection T is your 19. And other N of C already known 89. So you put it there 18 plus 19. N of C, sorry, N of C is a 37, not a 89, my mistake there. And N of T given 52, that's why I write written here 33, because 33 plus 19 it become 52. So thus our final answer is done here. 19 people like both coffee and tea. Yes, happily done. And this question for 2 marks. But students, Venn diagram necessary you draw in this drawing for the that type numerical in word problem. Here I explaining only word problem related union and intersection property. Question number 7. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, so consider cricket C, and 10 like both cricket and tennis. So tennis consider capital T, and union value asking how many like the tennis only means only n of t asking. So formula write n of c union t, n of c plus n of t minus n of c intersection t, all given value you applying and further calculate. Definitely your answer is only 35 and show in the our Venn diagram. Yes, students, Venn diagram after that I calculate. But listen here, our target is how many like tennis also. And second question, how many like tennis only but not cricket. Means only and only tennis selected. Means n of t only asking. So very easy, t minus c and t intersection c null set. It means both have you putting the value in subtraction. 35 minus 10, you getting 25. And I show that in the Venn diagram. Venn diagram I think you easily understood because common intersection you know cricket and tennis like people is only 10 and total tennis we have to calculate 35. So here 35 minus 10 it become 25 is my answer very easily for like only tennis playing and only cricket if you asking then 40 minus 10 write down it is 30. Okay, because 10 people are given to both type of like cricket and tennis. Next, continue, move ahead. So 25 people like only tennis. And if you asking only cricket, so you write down answer 30. Yes, students, 30 answer. Now, eighth one, in a committee, 50 people speak French, 20 speak Spanish, and 10 speaks both Spanish and French. So very easy. French consider capital F, speaking language, and Spanish as indicate committee for the speaking Spanish. So N of F 50, N of S 20, and both type of the people speaking Spanish and French. It is 10 given. So N of S intersection F is a 10. Now I applying in the standard formula N of S union F, N of S plus N of F minus N of S intersection F, value put it and further calculate. Sure you getting 60 people speak at least one time of the two languages. It means they speak Spanish, either French. Now I go to our Venn diagram. Venn diagram students, it's very easy. Just only you draw two circles, N of S and N of F, and plotting they wise systematically. But center value first you put it. Center value over here 10. Remaining are 40 and 10 because French given total 50. So I rebalancing 50 minus 10 become 40. 40 people like only and only French language. And Spanish given total 20. Already 10 I written. So here 20 minus 10 it become 10. So finally I done here answer. 60 people in the committee speak at least one of the two languages. Students, you also directly verify by the Venn diagram. See in the Venn diagram, red portion, 40 plus 10, it become 60. Yes, happily done. Next one. Yes, students, here this exercise is our done for the chapter 1, part 6, done here. And I hope you easily understood. Now here I give you one little thoughts for you. And this thought is, to live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. Yes, students, again I repeat, to live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. Yes, thank you very much, students. And further study, I explain you in the part 7. Bye bye, see you, and thank you for watching this video.